Welcome back to another episode of Excel. I am your host, Nav. In the last video, we covered sequence and concat function that helped us create product IDs for different product in no time. If you have not watched that video, please do so, because we will be using the same data in this video as well. Also, if you have not hit subscribe button, please make sure you hit it now so that you don't miss any update from this channel. Let's get started. Traditionally, if you wanted to sort your data, you would select your table, go to the Data tab and click the Sort button. You'd then choose which column to sort by, whether ascending or descending. Now this works, but there's a big problem. Every time your data changes, and for example, when stock levels update, you have to manually click Sort again and again. It's slow, and it's easy to forget. This is exactly where the Sort function comes into play. Sort lets you organize your data automatically. No clicking needed. The sort function dynamically arranges your data. If the data changes, the sorted list updates instantly without you lifting a finger. Let's look at the syntax structure. The structure is sort array if you sort its index, sort its order, by column. Array means the range of data to sort. Sort index means which column to sort by. Sort order means 1 for ascending, -1 for descending. And by column means false to sort by rows, true to sort by columns. Let's use our familiar t-shirt stock table. We have 4 products in column B, their respective batch codes in column C, and number of stock items in column D. If I want to sort these products by items in stock in ascending order, I type =sort open parenthesis, and then select range B3 to D6, and then select 3 because that's the column I want to sort by, and then I will type 1 because I want it in ascending order. You can type -1 if you want it in descending order. Now I will close the parenthesis and press Enter. Now we have a replica of the dataset, but the main dataset remains intact. Now let's say the stock number for blue t-shirts drops to 250 in column D. You will see the sort table has changed automatically. Our sort table is in ascending order right now, so if we want to see the product with largest stock number first, then type -1 instead of 1. You now have your table sorted in a descending order. If you manage large data sets, 100, 500 or 5,000 rows, using sort means you'll always have real-time organized data without wasting a second clicking buttons. So while the sort button is fine for static, small data, the sort function is a must-have for dynamic, growing spreadsheets. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Comment if there is anything I can help you with. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe button so that you don't miss my daily updates. I will see you in the next video.